First of all, one thing very wrong with India today. Okay, the India that I'm living in right now, the saddest thing about India today. This year, a man, I think this year, yeah, a man in Jharkhand died of hunger. After 70 plus years of independence, people are dying of hunger, which is really, really sad. What I see is a problem with India today is you give the position of a best friend to an animal, to a dog. You relegate the cow to the you put the cow in the position of a god, है ना, भगवान. On the other hand, इंसान को जानवर की तरह you are treating. First of all, this is what's wrong with India today. You are killing human beings for animals. Okay, I have nothing against animals. In fact, we have a dog at home. Now, first of all, I am a Naga by birth. I'm a Naga from Nagaland. I have never tasted, forget eating dog meat. I have not even tasted in my life.
Okay.
मुझे किसी ने नहीं बोला कि कुत्ता मत खाओ, ये मत खाओ. I just don't want to eat because I feel, okay, it's a pet and I will not eat it. So I've personally never even tasted dog meat. And in my family also, my immediate family, none of us eat dog meat. I have cousins and relatives who eat. But first of all, let me clear some misconceptions. Dog meat is not something that we use as delicacy. Okay. Especially for me, I'm from a Konyak tribe, and I spoke to some of my elders today, and we have a saying. There's a saying: never sell a dog and a human being. मतलब हमारा कहावत है. Okay, which basically means that a dog is a friend, and we, in my customs in the past, my ancestors did not eat dogs. It's a very, for my tribe, it's a very recent phenomenon. I don't know about other tribes. Now, in this scenario, what I was really irritated with is this country is grappling with poverty, with with different kinds of issues. Like you can see the kind of crimes that has been committed on a daily basis. There was a gang rape of a girl in Madhya Pradesh for 5 hours. Okay, we've had such heinous crimes. A mother was raped. This year there was one case in Haryana. Last year in Uttar Pradesh, and there was one in Gujarat. You have this kind of crimes, and you conveniently, close eyes to all those crimes. Female infanticide, dowry, है ना? ये सब तो you have closed your eyes. And you very conveniently pick up a state in the northeast. You feeling that okay, मैं कुछ भी बोल सकती हूँ उनको. See, there is a way to go about it. In case people feel that okay, Nagas are being savage. Nagas, first study ना क्या हो रहा है, क्यों हो रहा है ना? First of all, misconception is that we eat dogs as a delicacy. Rose, please. ऐसे कुछ नहीं है यहाँ पे. First of all, there are no street dogs. Everybody has a pet. No street dogs. Maybe it's because खा गया, पता नहीं क्या हो गया, लेकिन street dogs नहीं है. जितना भी आ रहा है Assam से आ रहा है. Now you have to go and also find out in Assam ki why are they selling it, है ना? If a poor person is able to earn 2,000 rupees from a dog to feed his family, who's going to stop that? You tell me. So there has to be a system in place. Now, like what I don't understand is I like the BJP's idea of integration, Northeast ka saath integration, Nagaland ka integration. On the other hand, you have their honorable ministers, MPs and ministers like Maneka Gandhi. She will sensationalize. She's been doing this for I think twice now. She has made very sensational news reports on Nagaland and how we savagely eat dogs alive. There was a news, I think 2014-15 में वो delete हो गया. I was checking it today. वो delete हो गया. I remember reading it saying that we stuffed the dog with food and then we, burned it alive and eat it. Like, where do you get such news? Because I have never seen it in my place. Anybody doing that. So there are people like 50% of the community who doesn't eat it. If you look at the Amur falcons, you know about Amur falcons?
Yeah.
That come to Nagaland. The Naga people were hunting it. See, we are basically hunters in the villages. They are able to sell those birds, those chicken, whatever, for an amount which will help them survive. है ना? So that was going on for the very longest time. The Nagas, the intellectual Nagas, conservationist minded Nagas, they got together and they realized कि नहीं, हमको ये नहीं करना चाहिए. We shouldn't kill Amur falcons. Let's, educate our people to stop killing the Amur falcons. Instead, let's use it as a beauty for our place. And it's in a place called Pankhi. Now today, fast forward 2020, there is a movie which is made on that, and it's, I think, won the best award in the environment category, national award. And
Mm-hmm.
people are actually conserving Amur falcons. They are actually having tourists come in, and they're actually earning out of it. So there is a way to go about it, to educate people. Now there is a way to go about it. Like, you cannot
Mm-hmm.
threaten to kill people, threaten to annihilate the entire community. What Hema Chaudhary did was one step ahead. She actually incited violence against Nagas in other parts of the country.
Exactly.
You know that we are already facing discrimination in most places, and then she just adds fuel to the fire by telling people to go and kill them, to go and cut their throat. If you are an animal activist, first of all, that will show that you are compassionate.
Hmm.
If you are a compassionate person, you cannot do selective compassion. You know, if you're compassionate about animals, you'll also be compassionate about human beings. You'll also be compassionate about environment. है ना? So Hema Chaudhary, I would say, is a wannabe pseudo animal lover who wanted to gain some attention, and she did it in a very, very degrading, insulting manner, not only for herself, but she has hurt the sentiments. She's put the lives of Nagas in danger outside the states. So
Exactly.
when you speak of integration and integrity, you cannot, in the same tone, speak about cutting some people, killing some people. So I am shocked that no national leader has come out to speak against Hema Chaudhary. This is no longer about dog case. This is no longer about dog eating. Okay, it's become an issue which is a seed to create hatred and bitterness between communities, which is any which way is facing issues right now. You know that.